So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and we are in the day 10 of the AI Agents Voice Challenge, and it's basically the grand finale. And once you complete the challenge, you are eligible for the goodies. Okay, you are eligible for the goodies, basically hoodie and certificates and some credits. Okay, so the best thing is that if you have completed all the challenge, then you are well and good. And here in this video, we'll talk about the submission. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and to hype the video. And one more important thing, the deadline is still 2nd of December, 12 p.m. So I'll recommend, as you are seeing this video earlier only, as soon as possible you can submit it so that you are safe. And for the hoodie details, a detailed video will be coming, so stay tuned and share the channel with your friends and family members. Apart from this, if you are interested in Google Cloud Arcade, you can just watch the detailed video which I posted yesterday only. You can just see and explore the channel playlist also. Now without any delay, let's come to the main page. So first thing you have to just see that in the day 10 we build a voice improv pattern. So it's just kind of critic thing which gives us feedback like we did it wrong or right, whatever. Okay, voice feedback they give. Now here come to your repository. I hope by now you have already have a repository or whatever. If you are having a personal repository, okay, there is no issue. Now from here you have to create a day 10. Okay, just type day 10. Okay, and then you have to click on create branch. In my case, I have already created a 10th branch, so I'm just opening it and I've shared the same in the description box also. Now, first thing will be just going to the backend folder. Just come to the backend folder and here you can see src option, agent.py. We have to update the agent.py like this. So come over here and just select entire content from here and just paste it and then commit changes. So you can just write an optional message like date in task added and just commit the changes over here. Now once you have done this thing, you have to go back again to the AI agent voice challenge. From here just click on this front end, components, app, and now from here we have to update one by one file. So first we'll update the, wait a second, first we'll update the, let me just see. Okay, so it's present in the front end only, and here let me just check the file. First of all, it's app.config.ts. Okay, so it's present in the backend, I think so. Let me first of all close verify the files and then I will just update. So first update, let's update whatever is being shown over here. If I have to, so from here you can see these are the things. So just open the session view, click on this pencil icon. Now just come over here to the session view .txt. So copy the entire content and just paste over here and just commit the changes like this. Now the next file is theme toggle.thx. So just copy it, come back to the app section. Here you can see this. Just open it, click on this pencil icon and just update it like this and just click on commit changes. Now again click on this app option and from here it's tile layout. So just open the tile layout and just select entire content and just update it like this. Once you have done all these things, let me close the tile. It's theme toggle dot session provider. Okay, so just copy the session provider and let's come to the session provider. Yes, this one, just update it like this. Okay, it's same, so we don't have to update it. So just come back and let me just see which files we have to update. Reconnect is also, I think so, added already. So we don't have to wait a second. Let's update the pre-connect also. So here we have to just update the pre-connect. If you are able to see, just open it and just select all and just commit it and save it. Like this, you have to update all the files. Okay. Once you have done this thing and welcome also you have to copy. If we have not updated the welcome file, okay, we haven't updated it. So just open it Just replace it like this, commit the changes. Okay, once you have done this thing, now here we have to just come and update the app convict ts. So it's present in the public side, I think so. Yes, front end public. No, it's present. Let me just see. Like here, it's present directly in the front end section. So if I try to update and like this, we have to just update all the things one by one. So we have updated all the things over here. Theme also has been updated here. Let me cross verify the front end. What we have updated over here, components, app. Okay, so theme is updated. Okay, all the things are updated. Now we are ready to push. Basically submit the form. So just come over here. Make sure date in is selected. Copy this. In the description box, I've shared this form. Just set the GitHub repo. Copy the email from here. The same email which you have used up to date in. The LinkedIn post you must have posted already. You have to just copy this, copy the link and just paste over here and then just submit it. Make sure all the details are correct. You can fill again if you have made any mistakes. And after that you have to wait and you'll be receiving an email regarding the swags. Do not worry, if I've started from day one, I will definitely help you to claim the swags. If you have followed from day one to day 10, you'll surely get the swags. Okay, there is not a big deal. If you have any other query, you can let me in the comment section. Regarding other events, you can just explore the channel. Multiple events are live. You can just explore and understand each and everything. So thank you guys. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.